Okay, SAT problem of the day, number 54. This being number 27, it's supposed to be the hardest one on here in this section as there's 27. So let's read it. Function f is defined by this exponential function. Exponential means there's a variable in the exponent, where a and b are constants. Okay, that just means we don't know what a and b are, but we do know the fact that they're not changing. Okay, and the xy plane, the graph of, okay, this is a vertical shift down 15. Okay, so it's little things to recognize. Has a y-intercept. What does y-intercept mean? Y-intercept means x is 0. Okay. The product of a and b is 65 or 7. What's the value of a? Okay. So first of all, let's correct this to make it f of x. This y-intercept right here, that is the that goes with f of x minus 15. So we need to take that and shift it up 15 units. We need to add 15 to this. Okay, and you can use your calculator, but I happen to know that 15 is the same thing as 105 over 7. Okay, so 6/7. What is 6/7? Well, 6/7 is the y-intercept of f, not f of x minus 15, not this, but of f. Okay, and remember, the y-intercept is when x is 0. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just write my equation. Let's change colors. Let's go to this red right here. All right, so I'm going to write f of x equals negative a raised to the x plus b. I know if I put a 0 in the x position, that will give me a 6/7 in my y position. Okay, so 6/7, that's negative 1. Be careful right here because this right here is some constant raised to 0 power, which is going to be 1, unless a is 0 itself. But we know a is not 0 because the product of a and b is 65/7. But you then take negative 1 and multiply times that 1. So it's negative 1 here. So I should add 1. Now 1 is the same thing as 7/7. So add that to 6/7. That's 13/7. We then use this information here. The product of a and b is 65/7. Okay. So let's write that right here. A times b is 65 over 7. Put a 13/7 in the b position. And you might notice here that a is going to be 5, right? You would divide right here by 13/7. This is the same thing as keep, change, flip. So a is 5. So a lot of information there. Yeah, this is definitely one of the harder ones. You have to know that, y-intercept means put x into 0. You have to take into account that shift. And yeah, so kind of a tough question.